Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how to send SMS to any number for free. Stay tuned. First, go to telnix.com webpage and create a free account. You can either sign up with your business mail, or if you don't have one, with your personal mail like Gmail. You will get $10 of free credit if you sign up with your business mail or $2.5 if you sign up with your Gmail. Follow my steps. Now you need to confirm your mail by going to your inbox and click Verify button. Choose Messaging and then complete account setup. Now click on Search Number, and Telnix will give you a free number from which you can send messages. Claim your free number. Assign your free number to your messaging profile. Finally, you can add your recipient and your message text. When you are finished, click Send Message. As you can see, my message is successfully delivered to the recipient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming tutorials. See you in the next video.